What's up, motherfuckers? Mark from Destiny.
Becky.
Link. Oh, so first of all, again, I said this in another video. If you want to watch the rest, if you don't click subscribe now, the video is going to stop playing. Like, you're not going to be able to cross 45 seconds if you don't subscribe. So you should subscribe to my channel now, or else you're not going to get this wonderful content we're about to put out for you. So I'm waiting, motherfuckers, subscribe.
You should put the can. Put the can.
So they can see. I'm drinking Arizona, bitches. Now subscribe. So let's get into the shit. So I want to talk briefly. I'm surprised I've never done a video about this. About I don't think I have. About fixing negative feedback on eBay.
Yeah.
When dropshipping on eBay. So a lot of you guys, one of the biggest challenges and what people keep fucking asking is, how do you not let them see that it came from Amazon or Walmart?
Do you know what I love about like when people ask the question, it's fine, but I love it when people say, okay, I want to start dropshipping. The only problem is, as if they're the first person who thought that would be a problem. They're like, the only thing is, I have this problem. It's like, the rest of us have the same problem.
Actually, yeah, they all comment like that.
They're
I've seen it like,
the first person who's thought that there might
I'm like,
be
listen, I really want to drop ship, but
there's just this one thing.
But how do you not send the Amazon box? Or how do you not send? So you can't fucking help that shit. And I think I'm gonna bring that up in more videos. Just calm the fuck down, you can't help that. But as a result of that, sometimes we get negative feedback. I think it's less than 1%. Like the 99.9% of people don't respond, don't send a message, don't give you negative feedback because of it.
Yeah.
But there are a couple people who would be like, this item came in an Amazon box or a Walmart box, or this motherfucker bought this shit from Walmart for less and sold to me for more. Now, first of all, those fucking buyers, if you happen to be watching this video, suck a dick. Because, like, if you buy an item at let's say Target, and then you go to Walmart and see the same item, you don't go back to Target and be like, fuck you, I saw the item cheaper. Yeah. But if you happen to get that negative feedback, you could simply, I know in the UK it's a bit different, you could like chat with eBay, no? Yeah,
you could, yeah. We have a live chat, so you don't have to call them.
Yeah, but in the US, we have to call eBay. You could call eBay customer service, explain, hey, I got a negative feedback. You could do this for any feedback, right? Yeah. Once you get a negative feedback, you can call eBay and say, hey, I got a negative feedback. How do I get rid of this? Even if you want to just try, right? If the person happens to write that you got the item from another retailer, they would take it off. Because eBay does not want to drive traffic to other retailers. Because someone saying, fuck you, this person got it cheaper at Walmart, is saying, hey, Walmart is a cheaper place to buy from. And eBay doesn't want that. So if you're lucky, when someone leaves you a negative feedback, that's the easiest way to get it removed.
Yeah, you should hope that they put in the feedback, this is cheaper at Walmart. That's the best case scenario, because then you just get it removed. Like,
this is it. If they message you and be like, I can't believe you got it from Walmart, like, I'm gonna put a negative feedback, and you could be like, fuck you, please don't put where I got it from, to try to trick them into putting it. Yeah. So you
probably wouldn't need to do all that.
But yeah, so if they happen to put it in, you can get it off. If they don't, and just say this person is a scammer or something, even that, eBay will help you remove it, because it's not like they didn't get the item, you misrepresented the item or anything like that. Now, if they put, so if it's a negative feedback and they put Walmart or Amazon or something, eBay will remove it completely. If it's a neutral feedback and they put Walmart or Amazon or another retailer, eBay will simply erase the comment and leave the neutral, the neutral star, whatever the fuck, in the feedback, because it doesn't affect the score. Like, you still have like 100 or whatever. So again, this is, a lot of you guys worry about these little things even before you get started. Just understand that there's solutions for more. The fact, like, I've personally sold, I'm maybe at like 5 million, close to 5 million sold on eBay so far, and like, I'm still here.
Yeah, I think I've only had two negative feedbacks left, stating like because of it being bought from somewhere else for cheaper, because it was drop shipped. And I've had other negative feedback for something unrelated. They were both removed, but I've had a few more people message me angrily, and what I find is most of the time those people don't then leave negative feedback. Right. It's like that, them messaging me, they just want to get it off their chest.
Yeah.
And they don't
yeah.
leave feedback, and it's just like.
And do you respond?
Yeah, I respond.
Yeah, because you don't want to just ignore them because they want to be heard.
Yeah, but then I answer I try not to respond in like a
combative
way.
Yeah, okay,
but it's like they're like, they are asking me, why have you sold this for more than you bought it for? And I'm like, because I'm here to make money. Like, in a nice way, kind of say that. But I actually had someone leave positive feedback saying I should have cut out the middleman and gone straight to the supplier.
Really?
Yeah.
They're like, you got me, but I can't do anything.
So yeah, positive feedback.
Yeah. Yeah, like, I only talk about responding because I know Jack, for example, he doesn't respond to those things. Like if he gets a complaint, customer just delete the message.
Yeah.
And you don't want to do that because those people want to be heard. If you just ignore the message, they're quicker to leave a negative feedback. And even though you could remove it, you don't want to waste your time of calling eBay and all that bullshit.
And you want to give them the option to return it as well, because they might just want to return it. Like when they message and say, I can't believe you got this from Amazon or whatever, I just say, explain and say, we do have free returns if you're not happy with the item, and they never return it because they have the item they wanted for the price they knew they were going to pay.
Right.
So they can't be bothered to return it.
Yeah, and even sometimes they offer like a small discount.
I never offered that.
Really?
Never. And especially when they say, can I have the difference? I'm like, no, you can return it.
Oh shit.
I never offer it. Because
That's why you're a boss girl.
Just return it, do you know what I mean? Like.
Yeah. Thanks, I have to start. Okay, so no more fucking discounts, motherfuckers. Free returns.
Because your profit is not the difference.
Yeah, I know.
I'm giving you the difference.
You're not losing money on any of these bitches. Oh shit. Okay. So yes, motherfucker. She's good. That's what.
In a nice way. I'm not like, fuck you, I'm keeping my money. I'm like, you can return it.
Yeah.
Happy to do a return. I'll send you a free label.
Wow. That's a bougie English accent thing.
Fresca.
Yeah, the fresca English accent. So yes, motherfuckers. Again, we solve another one of your fucking problems. So start dropshipping and stop complaining. I like that. Start dropshipping. Another t-shirt. Start dropshipping and stop complaining. Oh shit. I need to Nelson, you need to design that so I can put it on fucking Pinterest. Start dropshipping and stop complaining. Oh shit. Okay, I feel good about myself now. Subscribe to my channel, motherfuckers, if you didn't subscribe. If you happen to see the end of this shit and you haven't subscribed yet, for fuck's sake, I allow you to past the 45-second point and you still got all this great information. So fucking subscribe. And also look in the description for all the free shit. Later.